Pivot points are one of those things that have been around for about a zillion years at this point, and after all of that time has passed, are they still useful? Can we still rely on them? Can we still use them for trading decisions? Hey there, John Henry here, SSFTG. Welcome to the video. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome my friend. I hope to earn your like and subscription today. Pivot points have been around for ages and are actually very simple to calculate. It's something that you could easily do manually, but almost all charting platforms should have them built in. You'd think so. You simply just take the last high, low, and close, divided by 3. That's it, right? Now, some people actually add a bit of weight to one side or the other, like adding weight to the close. You add the close twice. So the high plus the low plus the close divided by 4 adds a bit more weight to more recent prices. You could do that to the open. Regardless of the math that you use, it's generally very simple. From there, or using the NinjaTrader charting platform indicator or your own indicators, or drawing them by hand, whatever you decide to do. But now that we've got them on the screen, we can look and see, are they actually useful, right? When we look at the market, does it actually give us turning points and inflection points in areas where the market responded? And, well, I mean, realistically, I think it's safe to say that, yeah, they definitely did. We can see that, obviously, the pivot point in the middle here had some really nice support. The resistance zone R1 had beautiful resistance to it all morning long. When we came back down to support 1, there was a little bit of a bounce. Not much, to be fair, but enough to be noted. We came down to S2, and we find a secondary bounce there. Again, we go all the way down to S3. So far, that's been the low of this move down. So yeah, obviously these levels are incredibly useful. Let's go back to the previous day. Here we can see the pivot point was off the low. When they don't hold as resistance, they tend to hold as support. These are all good litmus tests to tell us that they're useful. Even when the market is trying to come up and treat it as resistance, again, we can also see that if sellers were selling there and getting stuck and getting nervous, they were also given plenty of opportunities to get out at break even. A lot of good back and forth flow in it gives us great areas of opportunity. Even if we're wrong, we can still rely on them to a degree. So I think it's safe to say that pivot points are definitely, even after all of this time, still a viable trading option and tool for us to utilize. It's something that I know has been around for hundreds, if not thousands of years at this point, but I mean, hey, the numbers in the math just doesn't lie. It's easy to program, and therefore it's usually easy to, well, assume that there are going to be algos or some type of trading built off of them. I hope this overview on pivot points helps you understand them a bit better, as well as show you how useful of a tool they can be, even after all this time. It's unbelievable. If you have any questions, thoughts, topics for new ideas, or anything else, topics for new videos, rather, drop them in the comments below. I always love hearing from you all. Until the next one, thanks for watching, and we'll see you all then.